Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle, how it finished, guys. It gives us here a doji. And that doji, as you see it before, it happened here. Then after that, we see a big drop. And it happened the same level where it happened before, here in that zone. So let's wait in tomorrow candle. If it's going to confirm for us the market is going to fall down again or no, because till now it's indicating over here the market is going to fall down, guys. But the candle which is going to come tomorrow, if it came green here, that is going to be a continuation pattern, and that means the Bitcoin it will go higher, maybe to here at the first target. Second target is here in the top. If it's not, you're going to see the Bitcoin from here going back down to here where we started from. I think picture is getting too clear to you guys. But down here, as you see it, the volume is very, very, very low. So there is no big volume here. As I told it to you before, big whales, they waiting the regulation to enter to the crypto market because that FTX, when it collapses, majority of people, they lose money in that FTX is not retail traders who lose a lot of money. Is big whales and big investors. So till now, those big whales, they waiting regulation to enter to the market for them to start investing. But who stay here is only retail traders, because retail traders, they using, what can we say, they know what they're doing and they don't got that much of money to lose. But big whales is them, they stay here. So let's wait in the coming days, guys, what is going to do. But till now, fundamentally, us we're looking very, very, very great. And may I tell it to you, if it doesn't break for us, that inside bar here, there is no entry here. I'm talking here just about technical analysis. If you are a long-term investor, start DCA and forget about all that, guys. And I'm going to show you some on-chain signals they flashing today. So stay tuned with us and watch all the video. By the way, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, every day, guys, we're putting for you 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified, or you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now it's going to show you the on-chain data and the signals for flashing today. So the first one, guys, is that one. That one is named price forecasting tool. That one is forecasting for you exactly the market, what it's doing. So as you see it, every time when it touching here the lower, you need to buy, and when it touching the top, that red one here, you need to sell. Picture is too clear, but that indicator is a little bit difficult, not like how you thinking. The buying, it's need that one to touch that green one, and that yellow one, it's need to cross below here, as you see it. Then for selling, it's need that purple one here to cross above and the price to touch in the top. That's how you need to sell and to buy. And that sky blue one, that one in the top, that one, it's overbought. That one, when it's being touched, you need to sell immediately, as you see it here and here. Those was the times when it touched the overbought. This time we haven't reached till the top, but now also we are here at the oversold area, guys. That's why I told you start this and forget about everything. Picture is too clear, guys. We can even zoom it like that a little bit, as you see it. For picture to be more clear to you, as you see it here. The buying, it's being as if you see it here. You see that yellow one here, it's crossing below, and the price is it here down at that green one. So it's the right time for you to start this, guys. In the top here, when you need to sell, that purple one, as you see it, it's crossing above and the price is touching that red one. That's the right time for you to start thinking of to sell. Picture is too clear, guys, here, as you see it. There is nothing complicated here, and I told you about that sky blue, that one here. When it's being touched here, that overbought, and you need to sell immediately when it's touching here. Everything is too clear, guys. So let me show you the other one, what I got for you today. The other one I got for you, guys, is that one. That one is the same like stock flow. When it touching here, as you see it here in that place, you need to buy, and when it's become green like that, you need to buy. And now, as you see it, also we become here in that zone. We become greens. And when we need to sell, when it's become yellow like here and here, as you see it, it show you all the historical data, guys. When it's become green like that, you need to buy, as you see it now. And also now we are green, dark green here, as you see it here in that place. So I think it's the right time for us to start let's zoom it a little bit. As you see it, guys, here, when it's become dark green like here, you need to start buying. As you see it, it's reaching to here to 400. And now also we are here. So it's the right time to start buying, guys. And we are below here, that stock flow. That's what me I told you. Start DCA for long-term run. Forget about all the news, all the data, people they telling you. Started this because all that news, all those things, they are just deploying an emotion game at you. They want you to get fair and to sell losses. So there is no fair. Put your emotion in a freezer and close at it and come to the market. That's how we trade, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. The coming news for tomorrow, guys, as you see it, we don't got something special here. We just got here a warrant. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, or today is Thanksgiving in USA. Second day as today, because Thursday and Friday there is Thanksgiving in USA. So for people that trade in Forex, there is nothing. Market will be closed. And here our friend, the one us we follow every time, the table of us, is still talking to us. What it's telling us here, as you see it, it tells us all US stocks, they are green today. As you see it, the Dow Jones, is it green here? The SP 500, is it green? The Nasdaq, is it green here? So we're still in a very good situation, guys. And here our friend the VIX, as you see it, what it's telling us here, we came below the 20, but we couldn't break below 20. So we are very, 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 very close. That's why I told you started this, guys. You are in a historical moment to start buying. Even for people the trading or they investing in stock market, started this. I'm going to come in the future when that channel growing up a little bit. I'm going to start making even for stock market, how to invest in it, because you need to growing up your wealth, you need to invest in stock market and crypto. Yes, stock market, the earning of it is very slow compared to crypto, but crypto is very fast and it's very risky compared to the stock market. So even if you are a stock market trader or an investor, start investing now. You are in a historical moment, and the Fed, the pivoting, guys. So it's the right moment for you to buy everything in discount. Everything now is in discount. Apple, Amazon, everything, all the stocks, they are in discount, guys. So if you want to invest in even in stock market, you are in a historical moment. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going back to the chart to analyze for you more. Here we are in the chart, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you remember, I tell it to you before here, you got here a divergence here. I show you all those things before, and I told you are in a very, very nice place. And you need to wait in a price action here. The price action, or the only price action you have, is that level here, or that inside bar here. You need the market to come and to break here in the top. That means the market to come and to break here and to go back inside that square here. That's the right time for you to enter. For people, they want to enter by a sum of money just to buy one go. You need to wait until it's breaking here. For long-term investors, just this, guys. Everything is too clear. By the way, you, my friend, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, please. Smashing the like button, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please support us. And don't forget to write comments, guys. Don't forget to write comments down, because those comments, they growing up that channel. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, what I told you here. I told you got a level there. Yes or no? And I told you Bitcoin, it will go till here. And remember that. And what I told you here about that place where we are here. We used to have here a triangle like that, guys. Where it's being broken. It's being broken here by that candle. So us from here we enter. Yes or no? So tell now what it's showing here in that place here, what it's showing the Bitcoin here. It's showing here there is no power to break up that supply and demand zone here. There is no power to break it up. And that's what I told you. I told you big whales, they're still waiting regulation, guys. Market fundamentally it look very great, but technically there is no big volume breaking that level. If we break that level, we are going to go back exactly up. So what else should we do now? Also, we enter from that candle here. We put in stop loss down here, and we need to wait in, guys, either to make a correction, and it's going to make a correction maybe, and after that it's going to go higher, guys. Everything is too clear, and I'm going to come back to you after the daily candle finishes, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you for here for swing trading. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it came here, it breaking up here in that level. So in that place, is it the bulls were controlling, guys. And also we enter from here, as you see it. But also here what we got? We got the downtrend here. We need to make a close eye at it. Either we're going to break it, or from here we're going to go back down. So what shall we do, guys? Also we enter, we put in our stop loss, and we will wait in. Either it's going to fall down to hit for us the stop loss, we will accept in that, or from here it's going to go higher more to the overbought area. That's what me I'm believing till now. I'm still believing it's going to go till the overbought area, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, being here at the oversold area all that time. And we used to have here that price action when it's breaking here. Also we enter, till now we still waiting. And we will wait down till it will reach here to the overbought area. At the right time for us to take some profit. And me, I think the right time for us to take some profit is here at that level here. As you see it, we're going to go till here, till 18k, guys. So don't get scared, don't be afraid, just wait. Because if we go back here, even in the monthly candle, I tell it to you before, it's going to give us a very nice pin bar like that. And that one is a very bullish signal, guys. So you need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. The last video here in 30 minutes, what me I told you? I told you got here a wage like that. I told you if it's breaking lower here, you enter short. Yes or no? Did it break? No, my friend. It's still above it. Our indicator here, it's still showing us here a very clear divergence, as you see it. It's very clear divergence, guys, as you see it. From here, that's the top. Is it here? But here in the chart, it's still going up. So here in 30 minutes, what should we do? It's going to make a correction to enter to here to the oversold area. Then also, we're going to wait in to enter long again. That for scalping. And now also we will wait in here the market or the price to break down here. If it's breaking down here, we'll enter short again, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.